Wind Garage channel. So what we're gonna do now, today we will fix my Honda CBR 600 and I will show you now what we're gonna do. Alright, this is my Honda CBR 600 2009 model. So today I will show you how to change the left side switch. So my one is broken here and the scratch is here. So here I have a new one. The year is 2009, so firstly it was registered in 2009, but actually this model is from 2007 till 2008. I think the 2009 model, they have different side fairings. So basically it's completely stock 600, so I have only the exhaust Yoshimura, so it looks nice and the sound is good as well. Other things are basically the stock ones. The food packs, everything, brakes, everything is stock. Handlebars and basically all other things are stock. Alright, so firstly what I need to do, so here in the bottom we have two screws, so basically here is the wires from the switch, but it's under the plastic, so basically I need to take off the side fairing, and let's do that and then let's continue to work on. So you only screw those 3 screws and then you will able to take out this one from the top, and you can get the wire. You need to press here so you can take off the switch. From this one, those are the screws I need to screw from here, and then I will be able to take off the switch. Alright, so the wire are free, so now only 2 screws and the switch will be removed. So better take the smaller screwdriver so you are able to reach the screw, and that's it. Alright, so this is the new one. So I will plug firstly the cable and I will see if everything is working.